Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a bootable Gparted live USB. That is the only way to run Gparted on Windows. Once you have the ISO, write it with Rufus or Etcher. Make sure the target USB is the only removable drive connected. Reboot into BIOS or UEFI, disable Secure Boot if required, and choose the USB as the first boot device. This step isolates Windows and prevents file system corruption, so do it carefully. Confirm the checksum and the selected USB before continuing to the next phase. When Gparted live boots, accept the defaults and set a language, then launch Gparted. First, visually map disks by size and file system. This helps you avoid the wrong drive. Once identified, unmount any Windows partitions you plan to change. Gparted will not operate on mounted volumes. If you need safety, create a full disk image beforehand, use DD or a dedicated imaging tool while still in the live environment. This ensures you can restore if partitioning goes wrong. Now perform the partition changes. Select a partition, choose Resize or Move, set precise sizes using MB or GB, then add operations to the queue. Once your queue is complete, click Apply. Do not interrupt the process and monitor progress. Some operations take many minutes. After success, run a file system check and then reboot to Windows. If something fails, check the live session terminal for error messages, restore from your backup image, and repeat with corrected parameters to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.